morning to all kids. Today we are going to learn Sunny Treasure. Okay, the chapter is very nice. And in the warm up activity, have you ever remembered a dream after you have woken up? Sit in the pairs and tell your partners about the dream that you remember. Okay, आपने कभी सपने देखे? Yes, of course, देखे. So आपको रिमेम्बर्ड है अच्छी तरह से? आपको रिमेम्बर्ड रहते हैं जब आप सुबह उठते हो तब? If yes, then sit with your best friend and just tell your friends or your partners about your dream that you remember. Okay, now we are going to start learning of our chapter. This is the part first video. In this video we are going to learn only half section or half part. Okay, I will make you another video in the another part. Okay, now Sunny was daydreaming about a bicycle of his own. सनी एक लड़के का नाम था और वो क्या दिन में सपने देखता था. ओके, क्या सपने देखता था कि उसके खुद के पास क्या रहेगी? साइकिल. एस सनी वॉज डे ड्रीमिंग अबाउट a cycle of his own. What is meant by daydreaming? Yes, thinking about the pleasant things in the absent-minded manner. Then Sunny after think that, oh, I wonder when I will have my own bike. I'm tired of borrowing the bikes from my friends. Okay, मेरे पास क्या रहेगी? खुद की साइकिल रहेगी. I wonder for that. But I'm really tired of borrowing the bikes from my friends. I'm tired. Borrowing means taking something from someone for only a very short durations and just return to them later. मतलब किसी से कुछ चीज़ लेना, उसका इस्तेमाल करना, फिर हमारा काम हो गया, फिर उसको रिटर्न कर देना. ओके, सो सनी अब सोच रहा था कितना अच्छा रहेगा जब मेरी खुद की साइकिल रहेगी. So, because of that, now I'm very tired of borrowing the bikes from my friends. Then after, soon he fell asleep. फिर वो सो गया. Okay, he started dreaming about a treasure. Now Sunny is again started dreaming about a treasure. A box, a big box full of gold coins buried near the bushes in his backyard. Okay, so what now Sunny is thinking about that? Now he started the dreaming about the treasure. Okay, Sunny is thinking that there in the backyard, in the garden, in the backyard, there is a big box, and this big box is full of gold coins. Okay, near to the bushes in his backyard. Okay, आप देख सकते हो सपने देख रहा है इन दिस बैकयार्ड. और सपने देखते समय वहां पर क्या दिख रहा है कि वहां पर क्या है? गोल्ड बॉक्स है, उसमें पूरा गोल्डन कॉइन्स भरे हुए हैं. ओके, द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग द सनी ओपन द कपबोर्ड विद द गार्डनिंग टूल्स. नाउ सनी अब सुबह उठा. Okay, in the next morning, now Sunny opened the cupboards with the gardening tools. Okay, in the Sunny garden there is one cupboard, and in that cupboard Sunny and maybe his family members are store their some gardening tools. Okay, I know what I'm going to do now. उसे लग रहा था मुझे पता है मैं अभी क्या करने वाला हूँ. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to find that box and sell the gold coins to buy the bike for my cycle. ओके फिर देन सनी जाने लगा, कहाँ पर जाने लगा? यस, उसको जो सपना, जो ड्रीम आया था कि गार्डन बैकयार्ड्स में कोई तो भी गोल्डन बॉक्स है, उसमें गोल्डन कॉइन्स है, तो वहाँ पर गया और खुद को बोल रहा था कि व्हाट आई एम डूइंग नाउ, व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड. So Sony खुद से बोल रहा था, now I'm going to find the box and I will sell the gold coins and I'm going to buy bicycle for myself, right? Then after okay, finally he found something. Sorry, now this part. He dug and dug near the bushes, feeling tired under the hot sun. Now Sunny is digging near the bushes. During the digging, Sunny feeling very tired under the hot sun. उसे जो धूप थी ना सन की, उसमें वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा टायर्ड फील करने लगा. Okay, Sunny feeling tired under the hot sun. Then after, finally he found something. Okay, finally he found something. उसको वहाँ से कुछ तो भी मिला. Finally he found something. Okay, so Sunny is thinking about that. This is it. The treasure I have dreamed of. हे यही है क्या जिसके बारे में सोच रहा था मैं? Okay, that's it. I had dreamed of it. Okay, तो सोच रहा था यहाँ पर तो कोई गोल्ड कॉइन्स वगैरह नहीं है. That's it. It's this treasure. Then after, he looked down at what he had dug up. Then after digging up, then Sunny looked up. Okay, and looked down where he is dug. तो फिर उसने जहाँ पर वो डगिंग कर रहा था ना, उसने वहाँ पर देखा, तो वहाँ पर क्या था? It was bone. वहाँ पर क्या था? बोन था. दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पर? It was bone. Okay. What now? Here are the two questions. We will see these questions after learning all this part. Okay. Some dog had hidden it there. He was disappointed, angry, and upset. Now, some dogs are hidden that bone there. And now Sunny is very, very disappointed for that and very feel angry and so much upset. Okay, now some dog had hidden and he was very disappointed, angry and upset. Now suddenly the Sunny mothers came out. Then that time the Sunny mothers came out from the house. Okay, now फिर जो कर रहा था ना उसकी माँ बाहर आई. She looked up happily at the hole Sunny had dug. Now the Sunny mothers look very, very happy. Happy for what? Yes, because of that dug Sunny had dug. That's why. Okay. Thank you for digging that hole for me. Now Sunny mother feel very happy that Sunny had dug lots of and the Sunny digging that one hole. Okay, Sunny ने वहाँ पर एक hole अच्छे से बना लिया. Okay, thank you for digging that hole for me, Sunny. Now I can plant the rose bush I wanted. Now Sunny mothers say, thank you Sunny. Now I can plant their bush I wanted. Okay? Are you understand, students? Now the next part of the chapter we are going to learn in the next section. Bye everyone.